Do you love cheese? Love nuts? Try this tasty nutty cheese spread recipe. It's so easy to make. Hello and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy and cook easy. Hey, my name is Karen and I'm here with my dad Don, and we're gonna make a really easy nutty cheese spread. And we've been trying this. We made it earlier this week and we've been eating this all week. It's really, really good.
Super.
We've tried it on crackers, on fruit slices, on toast, on sandwiches. The ingredients in this recipe are cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, milk, chopped walnuts, dried parsley, or you could use fresh, onion powder, and salt. And the salt is optional. So the first thing that we need to do, and I already did, is we're going to bring the cream cheese and the shredded cheese to room temperature so then it's easy to mix and it's soft. And you can also use Swiss cheese, which we haven't tried yet. You like Swiss cheese?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, I bet you will like it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take 8 ounces of cream cheese, and this has been softened. We're going to stir this together with a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Go ahead and stir that together. And it's kind of, even if it's softened, you really got to work it together. Sometimes I just smash it. Let me see.
Try.
Yeah. If you smash it, that helps. And then stir it in.
Yeah, that looks like you know what you're doing.
Yeah. I've made this a couple times and it's so good. And this is great to have on hand for so many things. Appetizers, meals, snacks. So we got the 2 cheeses mixed together. Now we're going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of milk. We're going to stir that in and we're going to mix it until it's creamy. So go ahead.
Okay.
It'll come together in a minute or so. Okay, I think that looks really good. It's nice and creamy, all mixed together. So next we're going to go ahead and add a half a cup of chopped walnuts, and I measured those already, so it's a half a cup.
There we go.
Then we have 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, and you could also use 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. This makes it look really good too. Okay. Okay, next we have a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. And then last we have 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Of course, I like kosher salt, my favorite. You could leave out the salt if you would like. Stir everything well.
It's looking good.
We're going to go ahead and put it in a smaller dish. We're going to cover it and chill it. Okay, so I have a container. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the container so we can chill it. I don't want to chill it in this big bowl. It'll take too much space. Okay. So go ahead and cover it. You're going to chill it for 24 hours. So I confess we didn't really wait 24 hours. We couldn't wait. But the last time we made this, we did, and it's really good. When you chill it, it will become really firm and delicious. But we're going to go ahead and try it now. Are you ready to try it?
I'm ready.
You can use a spoon or a knife, and it's great on crackers. Ready?
Looks good.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, it's good.
It is so good. Try it this week, and I'll see you in the next lesson.